Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create a Sashes door as dynamic block. Okay, let's see. Go wipe out frame, close C, select wipe out frame, change to layer wipe out, draw order, center back, regional. Okay, now go block, P enter, block name for Sashes, door 1, select object, enter, pick point, block unit millimeters, open in block editor. Okay, now go parameters, base point, line, L enter, repeat line, go construction, select line, enter, convert. Okay, now go parameters, linear, repeat linear, repeat linear, repeat linear, repeat linear, repeat linear, select distance 1 2 3, go properties, number of grips 1. Okay, distance 1, go properties, rename, wall depth, enter, distance 2, rename, sash 1, enter, distance 3, rename, sash 1 plus, sash 2, enter. Okay, distance 4, distance 5, distance 6, go properties, number of grips 0, chain action, yes. Okay, now go actions, scale, select parameter, select arc, enter, again scale, select parameter, select object, arcs, enter, again scale, select parameter, select arc, enter. Okay, actions, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, select frame, select distance 5 and distance 6. Okay, enter, action, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, select frame, select distance 4 parameter, enter, go stretch 1, go properties, angle 180, enter, action, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, enter, select stretch 2, go properties, angle 90, enter, action, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, enter, stretch 3, select, go properties, angle 270, enter. Okay, again action, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, select, enter, action, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, deselect arc line, select distance for parameter. Okay, enter, stretch 5, select, go properties, angle 180, enter. Okay, action, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, enter, stretch 6, select, go properties, angle 90, enter. Okay, action, move, select parameter, parameter point, select object, enter, action, move, select parameter, parameter point, select object, enter, select move 1, go properties, angle 180, enter. Okay, action, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, enter. Now go parameters, alignment, click here, parameter, flip, click here, okay. Again go actions, move, select parameter, parameter point, select object, flip, select, okay, enter, select mode 2, go properties, distance 0.5, enter. Okay, action, flip, select flip parameter, enter, type all, enter. Okay, now save block, close block editor. Okay, let's see, stretch, flip, stretch, flip, okay. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.